The call history allows you to see the calls made from your account for the specified date range displayed here. You can change the date range by clicking the filter button, then selecting the from and to dates that you'd like to filter for. You can also filter for specific numbers that have called you, or specific numbers that you have dialed. There is also a filter for call type, which includes inbound, outbound, and missed calls. Clear fields will reset the filter. Calls displayed with a red X are missed calls. Calls displayed with a green arrow are outbound calls. Calls displayed with a blue arrow are inbound calls that were answered. You can set the call history to display 15, 25, 50, and 100 calls per page. You can add a call to your contacts by clicking the edit icon next to the call, which will display the contact information fields. If call recording is enabled on your profile, device, or if the call was from a queue configured to be recorded, you can download the call. If you'd like to listen to the call without downloading the call, click the listen icon. You can export your call history to a CSV file.